Yes, greetings to everyone. In this session, we are going to see about the HTML forms in HTML in the sense. Actually, what do you mean by a forms? We must know what is a form. A form is a container. Here, you can see a browser in the right hand side. In the right hand side, you can see a browser. In that particular browser, you can find some controls. That is, uh, you can find the place for entering your text. That it is one type of control. Likewise, we are having lot of controls that can be placed inside a form. So a form will hold controls. A form itself is a control, but it is a container control. This container control can hold lot of controls which are available in HTML. We are going to see what are the HTML controls available here. Right. First of all, for creating a form, we need a tag. The tag which is used for creating a form is form tag. You can find the general syntax of the form tag like this. Form action equal to, it is an action is an attribute. We will discuss about this attribute later. Form is a tag which is used to create a container. So every control you create must be present within this form tag. That you have to keep in mind. So what are the controls available in HTML? In HTML, we have a lot of controls as listed below. Text input controls, checkbox controls, radio controls, select box control, file select box control, hidden controls, clickable controls, submit and reset, etc. So for creating a form, how we are going to see? We are going to discuss about the text box control in this video. Now, here are the attributes for forms. For creating a forms, we came across these attributes here. See, action equal to script URL, method equal to get or post, name equal to such and such. So what are the attributes present in HTML form? Here, action. Action speaks about the script which is going to be triggered using this form. There are different types of script like JavaScript, VB script. Each and every script will be placed at the backend. The designing page will trigger that particular script. So which script has to be triggered for this particular form? That should be pasted in the action method. For method speaks about for what purpose this form is going to be, whether the form is going to upload a data or whether the form is going to retrieve a data. For uploading data, it has a method called get method, post method. For retrieving a data, it has a method called get method. Target. Okay, when I am getting a result from this particular page, where the resultant page has to be displayed. For suppose, let us consider, I am going to click a submit button. After clicking the submit button, I will be getting a message or I will be transferred to the next page, where this next page has to be displayed. Either it should be displayed in a new page, or it should be displayed on the same page, or it should be displayed on the parents page. The target, where the particular form has to be displayed. Then it comes to an encryption type, using which code the data has to be encrypted. So these are the attributes of form attributes. Now we are going to see the text input control. Text input control. We can have text input in three ways. The first one is going to be a single line input. When you are going to give your name, it is going to be in a single line. When you are going to give your roll number, age, date of birth, everything will be in a single number. When you are going to give your address, it is going to be in a multi-line. It will not be in a single line. The text will not be in a single line. For that purpose, you have to select a multi-line text box input control. Simultaneously, if you are going to give a password, that password should not be viewed by the other persons. In that case, your text box must be as a password input control. So for text input control, we have three types of text input control. One is single line, next one is multi-line, and the other one is password. How we are going to create these things, we will see. Here I have written a program in Notepad, tag for creating a text box control. See, this is going to be HTML head tag. These are the things you already know. Where my actual input type is present, we have to notice it. It will be definitely present inside the form. See, this tag is present inside the form tag. What are the tags present over here? Input type equal to text. If input type equal to text, it is a single line input. The name of this particular text box is, I have given max, let us give the name as text1. We can give any name. This name is used to identify that particular text box. So a text box name will be unique. For another text box, you have to give another name. So a name must be unique for the text box, which will be used for writing scripting programs. This name will be used for writing scripting programs. Now, next one, input type equal to password, and the name is equal to password. The name is going to be password. So this is the thing which I have written here, input type equal to text. This is a single line text box control. So for creating a single line text box, you have to give this tag, input type equal to text, name equal to text1. The second one what we saw is, for multi-line text box, the tag is here. What is the tag? This is a multi-line tag. Actually, when we go for a multi-line, we have to specify the number of columns and the number of rows. I have specified here the number of columns. So 25 characters can be entered in a single row. So how many rows I needed? I need 5 rows. This is the thing I have specified here. The tag used for displaying a text is, multi-line text is this one. The name can vary. As I said, the name can vary. The name is used only for identifying that particular control, which will be used when writing the scripting language program. Here, the text area COL equal to 25, rows equal to 5. So 5 rows and 25 columns. This is a multi-line. This is the tag used to display a multi-line text. Here, I have given another one which is said to be a type. Input type is going to be password. When I am specifying the type of the input type is password, actually what happens when I type a character, it will be masked with the special character asterisk. When I press A will not be displayed. Instead of A, asterisk will be displayed. So this type of input, if you want to get this type of input, then you have to use a input type equal to password. Let us find the result of this one. When I go to run this program, this is the result of this particular program. See here what I have giving here, username, my name. If I am typing my name here, it will be displayed only in a single line. If here I am going to type my password, let the password, I am going to type a password. Each and every password what I type will be masked using the asterisk sign. So this is the tag which I have used at the back end. This is going to be a multi-line. Multi-line in the sense I can enter 25 characters per row. Each I can also enter 5 columns. This is the 5 rows. This is the 4th row and this is the 5th row. Each row has 25 characters and I can enter 5 rows. This is how I have to create a tag for input boxes. These are said to be the text boxes. This is a single line text box, this is a password text box, and this is said to be a multi-line text box. Thanks for watching.